clear boat right now. I got something that's fun.
Right, no bathrooms on here, because that would be awkward. Gracias.
Welcome to the Pelicans Beach. Playa de los Pelicans.
Just hanging out by the arco. That's the end of Mexico. What did you think of the tour?
I was kind of disappointed by it, but to be honest, it was really cool to be in the clear boat. Like that was by far one of the coolest boats I've ever been on.
It's the selling point for sure.
Yes.
The actual tour is really lackluster.
Love like seeing the fish underneath. Like I wish you could do more of that. So if you were in a place where they had like it was just looking at fish, I think that would be like worth it.
There's no reason to be in the clear boat to go see the Ark and Lover's Beach and stuff. So many people coming around to sell stuff. No, gracias.
No.
It's hard to get through Sands because there's so many vendors here trying to sell us bracelets and hats. And,
It's cool to be on the clear boat to like take pictures with the arch because you can go to the front and nobody's up there and like you can see the water and everything. However, they take your pictures and so then they sell you them at the end, and that's kind of like a bummer at the end of the tour,
it's
right?
$20 for one print, $62 for a USB with all of them, that's crazy.
It's just,
The tour itself, not great. I'd say even just go for one of the water taxis like we did yesterday. The water taxi was a much better experience for us.
It was a much better experience, and especially being able to get our own, so even if you splurge for like a private, if you want to be able
which was
to
still less expensive than this one was.
if you want to be able to like go to the other side of the boat, because we were also stuck in the spot we got.
Yeah, so that's a tip. If you're in this boat,
get on there first so you can choose the
starboard, the right side, and the front. That's where you want to be, because they go up the side and check out Pelican Beach and then Lover's Beach and the Ark, but all that's on the right side of the boat. They never turn the boat around for the people on the left to have a good view and a good experience. So you're always shooting over other people's heads. No gracias. So overall, if you're just looking to go to the Ark, just skip this one, not worth it. But if you're looking to go have a unique experience and go on a clear boat, that's really cool, and you can only do it here in Cancun, Cozumel, Isla Mujeres. It's a Mexican company, they're apparently the only people that do it. Anyways, take the water taxi, go watch this video, and yeah, we'll See you around Cabo, see you around the world. Bye.